Hi dear friends, I'm Shahid Abbas. Today I'm going to tell you about the basic difference of animal like language, a controversy. Basic concepts of animals lack language. This is a basic controversy. We discuss and prove it. Researchers say that animals, non-humans, do not have a true language like humans. However, they do communicate with each other through sounds and gestures. Animals have a number of inborn qualities they use to signal their feelings, but these are not like the formed words we see in the human language. Human children show these same forms of the communication as babies when crying and gesturing, but they slowly learn the words of the language and use this as form of the communication. If human children were separated at birth away from the human, they would not learn the words of the language and would not be able to communicate with other humans. They would resort to sounds and gestures as their primary form of the communication. However, in the animal kingdom, if they are reared alone from birth, they are still able to behave and communicate in the same way as other species of their kind. So, what about animals such as dogs that understand commands or birds that can talk? Dogs can be trained to follow certain commands such as sit, come, and roll over, but does this mean they understand language and therefore can use it as well? Dogs are known to be expert at reading their owner's intentions and that they do not respond to actual words but the tone in which it is said. So if you say bad dog in a cheerful tone, the dog will wag its tail. If you say good dog in a harsh tone, the dog will put this tail in between his legs. Birds that are in captivity are known to be able to talk. It is believed that it does not mean anything to them and they are merely copying sounds they hear. There is no doubt that uh, animals communicate with each other to one degree or another in response to different stimuli such as hunger or fear. Human language is creative and consists of unique characteristics that give us the ability to engage in abstract and analytical ways. So, can it be said animals do not have a true language like us humans, since we use language for a variety of things other than just communicating simple needs? It is a matter of opinion and extensive research in this area. This is the basic uh, point of view about the animals like language, a controversy, basic controversy. Okay, good luck.